I win with my fist, yeah. Every time I get this man, I blew it with my gist, yeah. When you told me, yeah, you have to push a bit, yeah. It takes a little while, yeah, to be on the team. I focus on Rex, yeah, I made out all the beats, yeah. Everybody stand up, side loan is coming. Take 3 steps, yeah, my nigga never win, yeah. I'm coming so hot, yeah, J, Mr. Wick. I win with my fist, yeah. Every time I get this man, I blew it with my gist, yeah. When you told me, yeah, you have to push it.
It can be a different view today. We went outside, we went out there to explore, and then we followed our friend here. So even if I can't say where is this place, but you can see it's different. So yeah, we welcome you guys. We welcome you that today you are still with us at African Chats. So yeah, as usual, this is KB, guys.
This is Sabsa, the General, aka Maspala, the one and the only.
Yeah.
And me, it's one.
As usual.
As usual.
Step one.
Step one.
Yeah. So yeah, actually, I think I thought Mr. Mwani was supposed to welcome us here
At his own place.
Yeah, because this is his area here.
It's my area.
Yeah, this guy is living fancy. You can see. You can see.
Your area is too wide.
Yeah. Watery.
Too wet.
Watery.
It's too watery.
Actually, your area is wet.
Yeah, it's wet. Eh?
Next time we're going to go and dip in the boat there.
It's wet.
Cruising.
Yeah, so anyway, we're just going to tackle this and that as usual. Today we're going to touch these things, even though it's African chess, but then we're going to talk about these ones that they sometimes touch us as well. Donald Trump with their Iran stuff or whatever that is happening there, we don't even understand what's going on. But I know I got some sort of researchers with me. AI.
No.
Yeah,
No, it's not like that. It's not like we are the AIs of. Yeah, man.
you are my AIs.
Okay.
Just a news out there, it's in a public domain. So each and everyone, all the news rooms, they are busy with it. They are running with it. So
Yeah.
it's something that everyone needs to know.
Yeah.
Yeah. So these things of Iran, I think it started. It's happened on the 28th.
I can save you with your phone. We can put some
Yesterday.
Oh, yeah, yesterday on the 28th. You can say 28th because
During
the
Chiefs what? Finish.
No.
During Chiefs funeral.
No.
No, that's an easy way to remember Iran things. When
Oh,
you take
yeah.
Gaza Chiefs,
That's when, yeah,
you know
we
it's
got it.
Iran already.
Oh, so it was the same day.
Yeah, someday.
it was the same day when the president or the leaders of Iran, not leaders, the leader of
Supreme
Iran,
leader.
the supreme leader, Ali Khamenei.
Oh, can you please put away your phone?
No,
I trust you when it comes
No,
to your knowledge.
yeah,
now,
but
now
not-
you're
yo-
gonna show off your
no,
phone.
not with the
It's
names.
disturbing you.
Not with the names. Ali. Now Ali Mama. So Ali came in, and then this guy strike the army base of America in different countries.
The base.
Yeah, army base.
Hey.
I remember America has a base in Botswana, just here next to us.
Yeah.
There's an army base. So what they do, these guys, the American people, they plot before you start the war. They start by plotting, and by plotting they build their own army base in your country.
Normally, these people,
Yeah.
those bases, they do it on the neutral places.
Yeah.
It can be Botswana, let's say Zimbabwe or South Africa. In the middle, that way they're going to put their base.
No.
So that's why
So
Ali.
you can't disturb them.
So that's why Ali targeted those. It's UAE. And then yeah, it's four or five countries. Same day.
Bombing.
Yeah, bombing those bases. Same day.
Hey.
Same day. And
Actually,
then
out there, they are busy. These people.
yeah, they're busy, and the only fight that they are doing, the fight is oil, 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 petrol and stuff. Oil makes petrol.
But I heard the way Trump was saying, it seems like he said Iran can't have a nuclear weapon. Said they will never have it. They can't have it.
Yeah.
So he might be fighting for oil, but saying like they don't. He doesn't want them to have those weapons.
Yeah, with those nuclear weapons, and then same time, America and Israel strike Iran. Same day.
Teaming up.
Yeah, teaming up together. And then, unfortunately, the supreme leader is passed on, and two of in-laws, son-in-law and a daughter-in-law, I think. So they passed on because they hit it straight at his house.
Hey, he started something that he couldn't stand for.
And now his son is more dangerous than him.
No, seems like these people
Yeah,
they were
now
prepared already.
They
Seems like
prepared
they're
because his son said no. The horse just started. So now in Iran they are celebrating. It's good that funeral is gonna celebrate it for 40 days from today. So
And then I'm sure before the strike, Iran they were prepared already. They chose like 3 people that they could. If something happened to the leader, to the supreme leader, these 3 they're going to be
already Iran tried to throw another bomb, and then they intercepted it. They intercepted that bomb, and it was gonna kill many people because that one it was a nuclear. If ever that one it was gonna hit the ground, I'm telling you. It's a problem because that one can destroy this Gauteng.
But what's going on? Because after all these people, it was Trump, this, Trump, that, now Iran fighting back. What's going on that side? Hey.
No, problem what Trump. I don't know, not Trump per se, because this thing Trump just found them some of them. America, American they are too clear. They make sure they've got everything. There are armies everywhere around the world. America everywhere around the world. So they know if ever they want to strike South Africa now, they're just here in Bhutan. They can strike South Africa anytime.
If they want to kidnap your president,
If ever they want to kidnap your president, they can just do it. That's why even now, his army is in Botswana, and then the same Trump is calling for the president of Botswana to come at the White House to discuss the mineral stuff. The guy said, no, I'm not coming to discuss Botswana in America.
Yeah.
If you want to discuss Botswana with me, come to Botswana.
Yeah.
Yeah, and let's discuss Botswana.
This guy feels power.
Also,
because he knows that diamond that is in Botswana can sustain them for the next coming 90 years.
I think on that point of mineral, I saw also on the news, seems like Zimbabwe joined Nigeria, South Africa, and another country there. Zimbabwe, they're buying all their mineral, raw mineral, you can't export them. Especially the lithium one, you can't export them. Now, China, the price has gone high.
Hey.
So it's going to be a problem. I like it. That African leaders, they need to stand up. They need to wake up.
Yeah.
But they need to ban all the raw mineral to be exported. They mustn't allow them.
The problem is that they are taking our mineral, like where we are coming from in Palawan. They are taking the raw magnetite, raw, taking it to where? To China.
Yeah.
By trucks. That trucks goes to Mozambique, and then at Mozambique, they are shipping them. They are shipping that magnetite to where? To China. And at China, they are just piling that thing. They are not even using it. They're just piling it.
Yeah, so that we can't get rich.
Yeah. So if ever when it's finished, then China start to mining it again, bringing it back. Understand? So when they're just taking it, they're not using it, they're not in need of it, but they're just taking it to where? To China. Just making a big mountain.
The best way that African leaders they can do is to ban all export of all raw mineral.
Yeah.
Europeans,
they must build those smelteries. They must build those smelteries here in Africa. Because we are taking our copper raw. and then you are taking it to wherever you are taking it, and then it's come back as a cable, or it comes back as a something else, and then you bought it cheap, but you are selling it to us expensive because now it's processed.
So if everything is made here, obviously the price will be cheaper.
The price will be cheaper.
Also,
Jobs,
people
job
don't
creation.
also-
Because
So,
Africa is rich. Africa on its own can stand on its own and can defeat these European countries.
yeah, but that one is a dream. That
And
is
England, just remember England, the Elizabeth family, they bought every diamond in Africa.
Hey. Saying like if they discover a new one, it's going.
It's going there.
Hey,
The
Channel Africa.
purple diamond that they just discovered now, it's there.
yeah, you remember also these people, they are
It's
clever.
there.
That's why they give African loans. If you need money, they will give you easily. They know where to get you.
They know where to get to. Like what Ramaphosa did and then go there and take our 700 billion. Said no, that 700 billion is for corona and stuff. That money needs to be to be paid back. And how? By giving these minerals, just giving away. That's why America made sure that IMF or World Bank, it's in America. So they're using their own renare banka chelete go America ga dollars. But they are making good dollars. They're not losing anything. Remember, one rent.
It's like a 17 or 18. now.
$1
$1
against
is 17 or 18.
17 or 80. So for you to bank 200 million, how much do you need?
Too much money.
It's a problem. So that's how. But it's a colonization.
Yeah, actually, this is a lot.
Yeah, it's a colonization. Yeah, we can talk about it and then
yeah,
until the sun rises.
and maybe it's late now. So at least you must just jump fast and then go to.
Yeah,
Let's go to this
Paulo
guy.
Silva.
You said who?
Paulos.
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 Hey, Paulos. Paulos.
They go Paulos. Paulos try. Paulos showed those parliament people already. You are nothing. The first guy, the first person in the history of South Africa to walk out of the parliament without the knowledge of the parliament. You Paulos. Paulos even in the Bible, Paulos was.
Paulos.
Okay, guys, you see, on the issue of Paulo Sullivan, it's a bit tricky because he came to participate in whatever outstanding question that was remaining because previously he came, then he didn't finish, so they invited him again to come and clarify some of the issue. And then the guy, when he came, he told them, okay, around 1, I need to leave because I have a flight to catch. Seems like they agreed. Because Palani also was coming, the other witness was also coming after him. So he told them, Chairman, this is my last question. After that, I need to go. They thought it was a joke.
At the first appearance, it was a summon by the parliament because his name was appearing on every person that they are calling to question. So his name was just popping up. And then remember, even Mukwana's on the 6th of July, his name popped up. So at the first appearance, he was summoned to be at the parliament and to be questioned. At the second appearance, he went there voluntarily. He said, no, because there is questions that I didn't finish, let me come and finish them. But then you must know that at 1 o'clock I must catch a flight to go to my to do his usual business.
So they didn't really check on him on that. They didn't really
They thought maybe he's playing.
He's playing.
They thought maybe he's playing. He just passed here in the front of Malema, and Malema did nothing. But after that, and then this guy, is Kosana from MKP. He tried to follow him. He said, hey, Chief, before you follow
You're not
me,
going.
go and pay your debts. And then before.
Oh, so he already knew about him. Then.
He already knew about him because he's an investigator, I think. Because this case it's the
But
problem.
no, I had like his qualification is questionable.
He's all of
the
pilot
license.
one is questionable. The pilot license is questionable.
The training one.
The training one, he was training your police.
Yeah, like
The training one is questionable. That guy the only thing that he did, minority credited, electrical engineering. But then from electrical engineering to be investigator,
like
what the fuck?
but this guy, isn't what he did trading, I mean, for how long? 3 months?
No, him he was training,
He
3
said-
months training.
Yeah, but then he goes out there
There's
and
this-
then trains police for how long then?
Yeah,
I think
exactly.
for 3 months or 6 months as well.
No, it's more than him.
And there's this
Yeah.
there's this subject or there's this course that he said that course he was supposed to do it in 3 years, but then now he managed to do it in 1 year.
Just imagine.
How come?
Yeah, the guy is
But
genius.
I never saw that in UNISA.
But these people, what they're doing, like,
Even-
what South Africa? It's South Africa, guys.
No, but remember also maybe long time there was a loophole that guy that study saying no, in South Africa I can make money.
Yeah.
If I can have 1, 2, 3, then I'll come and make money.
Yeah, because that guy when I listened to his things, that guy he started by doing the investigation about South Africa first.
Yeah, yeah, I realized that not
Because all the questions that they were asking him, he will tell you that at this time I came to South Africa just for holidays. But then you came for holidays and then you did this subject. So how come?
I think there's somebody who helped him. Somebody helped him to just come and
Yeah, the problem
these
is that
things.
problem got now. Some of the people, some of our politicians are dead. The one that sold us, they are dead. Those are the ones that should answer the question of Paulus, because this thing that Paulus is saying to us, it's not making sense.
Honestly speaking, I think South Africa, well, they realize that no, things are easier. Well, I just imagine, about even today I was busy thinking about this whole thing about the minister that went from education, went to defense. Guys, those kind of things, like when you check these people,
There's this
they don't
other one.
have qualifications as well.
There's this other one at COJ. But he's a Zimbabwean, but he's an MMEC. So Vas Kruger is talking about him on the social media. Said, he's saying everything. He's an MMC under ANC, but it's from Zimbabwe. He changed names according to Vas Kruger. It's not us, guys. It's Vas Kruger. So if ever you can check the post of Vas Kruger on Facebook and stuff, you will see the full story of this MMC in Gauteng. The one that is chasing people on the streets, the street vendors. Hey,
Oh, man.
the one that's chasing the street vendors.
What's wrong with these people? Why can't you just let know what's you know now what I like about South Africa now?
It's the same thing that happens to Skosana, because Skosana was talking too much, but now Standard Bank wants him.
Hey.
Paulo Sullivan said it. Paulo said it. I know Paulo. Paulo said, no, go and pay your things, chief. Stop
No,
running
but
after
this guy
me.
also, which means he might be blacklisted somehow.
He's blacklisted.
I don't know.
He ran away. For sure, he ran away from Standard Bank.
You know, he's in parliament, man.
But
Obviously, the bank that can go easily
Bluetooth
go after him
disconnected.
because now he's a public figure. Man.
No, chief, in politics, politics is a problem. Because politics, they can hide your things. You understand? Because the Minister of Finance or whoever sees everything, whoever checked everything, whoever checking everything can hide your name. You understand? Until someone is taking out that name. So,
yeah, just like now, they revealed something, and then obviously they'll be watching over.
yeah. Remember, this thing happened when? Wednesday or Thursday. Now, the Standard Bank summoned him.
Bluetooth connected.
Sheriffs went there.
He must go and answer.
He must go and answer also, like he was questioning people in the parliament. So,
So now, for him, it's going to be too much now.
yeah, it's a problem. It's a problem.
When you just hear
now,
Paulos is coming, he must
yeah, now,
run.
Lena, I'm afraid of this Paulus. Paulus,
No, but I cannot think of it. Him as a
Bluetooth disconnected.
He's a private investigator.
It's a private investigator.
But what type
Helping
of
police.
license? What type of license is required for him to go through to be checking people's credit?
You already get.
No, it doesn't check. It's not like it's checking your credit. It's checking your profile.
Yeah.
You understand? Just say, okay, Sabza Maspara the general. Dong. Everything. It's like what the police, what our police are having. Like General Mukwanas, what they're having. They can scan your car while you are driving your car. And then you check now who's the owner of this car.
Yeah, police. I
Yeah,
know.
I understand. So that one is a private investigator. Got a license of investigating everything.
Got power.
He got power.
He was controlling your police.
So everybody must have that license, man.
No.
Oh!
All of us must have those licenses. Yeah, you can't check on me. I need to check on people also.
But remember, who was he after you guys? But now that we know this guy, we know him because of he was busy controlling people, controlling.
We know some of us we know Paulo Sullivan because of Mukwanas.
Yeah.
If Robert was in Mukwanas,
Nobody. Paulo Sullivan also was the first one to react on that July briefing.
yeah, because
He
he
came out insulting. Yeah, Mukwenas is a crook. Yeah, this and that.
Yeah.
Fuming because he thought maybe he knew this thing Mukwenas is revealed. It's gonna create so many things.
no, he thought maybe Mukwanazi was also the same as these other politicians or these other corrupt police like the likes of General Sevilla and what. You know, we are not saying he's corrupt, but the way he was answering questions at the Madlanga, you can see, you can hear this guy knows
No,
everything.
he came undermining Madanga.
This guy knows
He thought
everything.
it's gonna be the same as iTalk comic. Because iTalk they don't really do much. There's no really research.
No, okay, let me tell you about something. Let's differentiate between
Bluetooth
and
connected.
Madlanga. Madlanga, it's qualified lawyers and professional ones. Attorneys. You understand? Attorneys. Hey, Madlanga. Remember General Madlanga, Advocate Madlanga was part of the Zondo Commission.
Oh,
Yeah. Madlanga is not, it's that old man. He knows everything.
yeah, but the way
He
they-
was
the
acting
way
chief
they are
justice.
dealing with,
He was once
witnesses-
acting chief justice.
No. That guy is there.
So-
Malanga is
So those ladies that are asking questions, or those people that are asking
they're
questions,
advocates also.
they're advocates also. They are not juniors. They are not juniors.
And they're good, yo.
They are good.
You know what they're
They
doing?
can channel you.
When the
Severe.
no, Sibia, when he was went through his statement, everything was fine, narrating this happened. But now when they start questioning him,
And
the guy changed.
General Sibia went there.
You could see
He went there with
they-
the big
they got it.
statements, like a pile of pages, like 900 and something pages of statements. Key statements. You understand? Good, you can ask yourself now. This person was talking. Good, wow, these people was writing everything that this guy was saying, and believe you me, those lawyers, they read everything. Everything.
Also now they are clever. The way they were building up, they called everyone who's got the information about Sibia. They called them. They came first. They give all evidence. So when Sibia was coming, they need to answer to those
Yeah.
allegations.
No, and Sibia was supposed to go there after Mukwanas, and then he postponed. Said, no, I'm still doing my statements. You understand? He was supposed to be there after Mukwanas.
Even the minister is going back there.
Yeah, minister is going back there.
Minister part one, he think it's easy. They only show him the small one. When he
No,
goes to
the
second
problem
time,
with the
it's
minister,
gonna be
the problem,
hard for him now.
the minister thought maybe when he go there with these famous lawyers,
I thought
Kai Tobin, then he can win everything. So it's not possible there, Chief. Even him, Mr. Kaitobi, knows that I was supposed to be one of those people.
no, he tried. He tried that to
yeah, to
manipulate.
channel
No, that they said, no. I need to re-examine this person. You ask question about 1, 2, 3. We never touch
Those questions are not here now. We're gonna ask him the next day.
Yeah, guys, let me block you. I know you guys won't stop when it comes to now I can see that you even forgot that now we are live here.
No.
Guys, okay, anyway, let's just jump.
No,
from
but
this
before we
one,
go, let's talk about the lady who just finished to testify on Friday. What's the name again? That lady from Ekurhuleni. The HR boss.
The HR boss. The HR, even that HR doesn't know her stories.
You know
Because they gave her like 10 different companies, 10 different tenders that she approved.
Mhm.
All of them, they were corrupt.
On her own.
Yeah, all of them.
The shocking one is for Matala's wife.
Yeah.
From Chisanyama, the company was Chisanyama, they said they are giving out training and what it was a training and cost something like that. When they are checking properly, that the company doesn't even have accreditation.
It's not
They
accredited.
use someone's name
They will use someone's signature.
just to copy to get
It's
that
like
training.
you now, Sabza is signing checks or is approving checks somewhere. And then I'm sitting here.
You don't know about it.
I don't know about it.
Hey,
I don't
When
know.
they check the company properly, no, the person who
Oh, when
approved the tender
Ekurulen,
need to be arrested.
I think Ekurulen is more corrupt. It was the corrupt municipality ever.
but guys, can you see that now? Seems like, I don't know if it started with Mukanazi or what, but it seems like now South Africa, they are revealing a lot.
Yeah, even there is this guy who went to the social media and says Mukwanas is doing what, Mukwanas is doing what.
Matabile,
Matabile, Calvin, what? Calvin
No,
Matabile.
they'll get him as well.
I already got him.
Oh,
No,
He took
they
him
went
to court. He took him to court, and then he failed on court. Mukwanas won that case, and then now the guy must go back to the same podcast and say the same, retrieve everything, and then apologize everything the same way that he did, and then he must pay Mukwanaz's lawyers. And then
First,
he
use
promised
your
Mukwanas that
fingerprints to
Mukwanas, I
unlock
can
the
give you money
device.
if you want money because now I'm rich. I want to. Mukwanas, I take your money to the orphanages. Mukwanas doesn't take shit money. So, but then we can pass that one.
yeah, let's just pass that one because I overheard that even Paulos seems like now he's going for Matanga as well.
Yeah, Paulos is going to the Madanga.
I wish I must be off on that day.
Oh, you want to check on it? Yeah, anyway, guys, myself, I'm just worried too much about this crisis that are busy happening here. I see like a lot of people now, they are committing suicide, and especially young ones. People are hanging themselves. People are taking poisons. Like,
You know what?
what's going on?
What I've realized in South Africa now, the only things that's killing us or that is gonna kill us the most, Jolo Kaizer Chiefs. These two things it's gonna kill us.
Joel and Kaizer Chiefs.
It's
Same
Mjola,
WhatsApp group.
it's Mjola and Kaizer Chiefs. They're gonna kill us like real death.
Yeah, but
But then when we check this thing of suicidal death of our young people, and
some of them they are very young.
yeah, it's this thing. And I think we, more especially we Africans, we black people. Sorry to say this, but we black people, we tend to be working more strict to our kids, to be more strict, like strict or you don't even know now. Oh, one was 21 years or it's 18 above and what. But then when you restrict that thing, you understand? Even if that boy or that girl is going through something that it's not,
They won't come to you.
they won't come to you. And the symptoms that may be the trauma of our own. But then when as a parent, as a strict parent, you don't see those symptoms.
Yeah, because these kids, they are no longer, they're not strong. In fact,
Mm.
they are not strong. I think
My
some of
2000
them-
are still really strong.
No.
The issue is what parents, they want the kid to be like they are copies. We only copying all our past experiences with our parents.
Exactly.
We want our kid to go the same thing.
To live the same
Oh,
path.
when you check in our days now, we've got this Android kid. The kid, they are using phone already when they are young. But in our time, we started using phone maybe in 2000 and something.
Yeah,
We
we,
grew up with the phone.
we bought ourselves
So
phones.
it's a
We bought
problem.
ourselves phones.
We can't copy our experiences. We want our kid to go through. No.
Exactly.
If you open up to your kid, just be friendly. Those kids, if they've got problems, they'll come to you and say, no, there's 1, 2, 3. And if there's something wrong with your child, you'll pick it up. No, this person, there's something wrong.
Yeah.
Actually, I think this must go straight to the parents that we need to support our kids. Like these things that are happening, we know that some of them are old people that are busy killing each other and whatever. But another thing that is challenging, I checked, seems like when you try to compare, it's more guys than ladies. Like, I'm not saying like,
Yeah, you know,
I don't understand.
you know what's the problem there? Men or men, we men. You're not bad.
You men.
Yeah,
We men.
Oh, we
Yeah.
men. Oh, I know you're a lady.
We men.
Okay, we men and she. So we men, we are strong physically.
Exit.
Physically, we are strong. Strong like we can push everything. We can make everything happen.
Physically only.
Yeah, physically only. But when it comes to the heart and acceptance, it's a problem.
I shame.
But if ever,
Also remember this
You
is
know-
people that say, a boy child doesn't cry. It's a problem. Big
exactly.
problem.
But
So you might be you're going through difficult things, but just to open up into your friend, you think, don't laugh at me. They must see like this one is crying. Hey, they must see this one going through these things. That's the thing
You know-
that is killing society.
the other problem is that we men were judgmental.
Mhm.
If ever now KB comes to me and then start complaining about his life and stuff, then I'm going to tell you, one,
You're supposed to laugh.
hey, that man,
Yeah.
man.
This thing
And
happens.
that man, he was talking from his bottom of his heart, trying to get help from you. And then when you are making mockery
Yeah.
out of him. You understand?
These things, even SAPS, SAPS,
SAPS.
they don't take anything from guys.
When you go to open again and say,
serious.
Yeah,
they want
you know-
to beat you.
You
They'll
know-
laugh at you, and that is serious. Like guys,
You know-
that there are men that are getting abused out
Yeah,
there,
they
like real abuse. We understand after all we say GBV, whatever, but then that is a retaliation mostly.
Yeah, that's a retaliation. And then now I volunteered as a GBV ambassador in somewhere. You understand? And then in my most cases, it was women who were complaining about me.
That's how.
And then from my own, from the head office, they said no. When you are not investigating or you are not finding out the back or the other party's story, where now you only take what the one who came to you said, and then you take it to where? To the police station. You understand? So now I took from my own. I said no. Let me go and check this guy. Go go and you understand? Because mine is what's GBV. And then only to find out or Mujita or find it out. Or no. My girl is cheating, for example. She's cheating, she doesn't sleep at home. Then when I'm working as a security guard, when I come back in the morning, the blankets are cold, she's really outside. 6 o'clock, we are outside.
Also, this is for gender-based violence.
Yeah.
It's a topic that needs to be checked properly.
Hmm.
Somebody needs to go out there and do a survey just to find
they're saying
what
your
is
father.
the problem. Because sometimes everything that okay, even from the point of like legal ways, even into court, even the police, women are always right.
Sure.
You know,
Even if they are the only that they always be.
South Africa gave women too many rights than us as men. You understand? Because they thought maybe women are the most vulnerable ones. They are the ones who get suffer from these other people. You understand? So then, what they did, they gave rights to what? To the women than to men.
Yeah.
Understand?
Yeah.
So, and then every organization, if ever you want to make money in South Africa, just say women, what. I'm telling you, your organization is gonna make money.
Fast.
Fast. But just say men stand stand tall and stuff. I'm telling you, not anything that's gonna happen to you. Not even a cent you're gonna get. You understand? Not even a cent you're gonna get. So then, I'm saying whatever that happened, there is incident that happened recently in Deep Slot. There's a man hanged himself under a tree. Yeah, and that man, when we hear the essays, the essays, the essays, or the essay, English, or whatever the essays. They're saying, Musadi Naji.
So the guy found out.
The guy found out. Or my wife is cheating with so and so. Instead of confronting the situation, the guy just thought, "Oh, I cannot bear this situation."
No, maybe already he
Especially
knows.
who took his friend.
Maybe already he knows the answers that he's gonna get. He knows how his lady is anyway. So you see those kind of things, guys. Like, I think maybe as well we need to talk to guys and say, guys, you as well, like, let's try by all means. Let's try to rebuild and get stronger. Because after all, you're living life, and then or maybe these are the ones that are shooting, or the whole family ending up shooting themselves. Like those kind of things. We know that the government said whatever, they gave women power and whatever. Because some of these guys, they can't stand that. And then they think, okay, now this lady messed up, and then obviously I can't solve anything with her. They'll come after me. And then they'll do something that is terrible. But we rather try, man. Let's try to at least talk to each other. Let's try to help each other when it comes to guys.
Now I have that situation. I got an experience at this thing, at this a person who killed himself because of I saw it in my two naked eyes. One of my friends, while we were in Palabora, the guy I was with him, I cannot mention his name, and may he so rest in peace. We went to church on Wednesday, really koshing. And then he just told us while we were sitting down, because we were sitting down, then the priest was saying whatever that he was saying. And then he said, Ish Bafetu. Ish Medemon Kawata, man. Medemudia 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And a Medemujalaman Ledaman. He's pointing at someone that we are dancing with in church. You understand? He's pointing someone that we know, someone that we talk to. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, we got calls. Chief, your friend he hanged himself.
He couldn't stand it, especially.
He couldn't stand that thing because remember on Saturday we must go to church again. We go Kuku. He's going to see that person again.
And especially if you could see the person, and like, that thing wakes up again.
The thing that hits him hard is that the guy has money. He's an artisan at PMC. Has money. The girl is also here in the church. Understand? So, Emina, Damanu Palaila, Azargavan phone in the berry, Sabza, Damanu Vail, and Oanagarga program to speak on behalf of friends.
But also, men also should think they should know like killing themselves is not a solution.
Yeah,
or
it's
killing
not a solution.
the women is not a solution.
I'm telling you.
Sometimes they just must find a way to deal with the situation.
Exactly.
Or if you just walk away then.
And I'm telling you,
walk
I'm
away
sorry
is the
to
best
say
solution.
this, I didn't attend his funeral. Because I didn't know what to say in front of his family. I'm a friend to him. So everyone's like, man, like, so,
judging each other.
Judging each other. Problem is judging.
You know, sometimes I feel like maybe we must have these kind of things. They call it men conferences, something like that, whereby people guide each other. You know, ladies, they do have those kind of things. Yeah, they can organize those kind of things easily.
No, even if they don't organize ladies, I wonder if ever they're at these funerals and stuff, they are cooking. They talk their problem. They talk. Hey,
now also men they like taking people's wife. That's the problem. Not like only women. There's someone also know this person is for someone. Then the guy is gonna try his best to go and put himself there again. So it's not easy.
Well, that kind of
guys are in a problem.
There's this guy again who killed himself. Who started he cannot kill himself and kill a lady. He killed his lady, and then after finding that the person that I shot is dead, then he killed himself again. After what? After finding the messages in the phone.
You know, mostly those ones we know them from the police. You know, policemen, most of them, they used to do that. After finding that my lady is cheating, they used to shoot the lady, shoot themselves.
Yeah, but this one
is not a solution.
Killing yourself is killing a person is not a solution, because now what I always tell myself is this one already. Before Kidulal Msadu Gulande, How did I get out of this one? Even though I still jolo, but then the little fapan. So, guys, we need to learn to move on. Move on. Because life is a journey. And then if you think or ne, now or ke fapanele Salimina. Nga se khone. Salimina o khumane ka re ke jolo. Lo ena Salimina mo khumana ka ra jolo.
Yeah. So anyway, I guess people are they can understand, they can hear this, because this is serious. Like, people are busy dying, and you know the stressing thing is when it comes to young ones. Like, actually, man, really parents need to support their kids, because they don't even know what they are doing, but already they can hang themselves. They can eat poison. Come on.
Now there's this guy that I know, I physically know. He was staying with a lady with a stepchild. The stepchild was a girl. Understand? The lady got sick, and then after getting sick, the family of the lady decided to take the lady back home, the rural areas. And then the guy decided to sleep with this girl, the young lady, the young girl. She was doing grade 11, I think. And then the girl didn't bear that thing. You understand? She ate poison.
Hey, that's another thing as well.
She ate poison before even her mother died. She was already dead. The mother was sick, like sick.
So
Because
obviously she will pass out.
yeah, she was having this blood cancer. So blood cancer is more dangerous than this HIV and stuff. But I'm not saying you must go unprotected. Hey. So I know these situations. Now I've been in these situations. That's why I was an ambassador of this AGBV organization.
But
so
that situation you're bringing up now is the guy that is foolish.
Yeah, it's foolish.
Yeah.
Yeah, the guy was foolish. What's wrong with you? Why can't you just take that child as your child?
No, hey, that's a problem. Where's your conscience?
There's someone that look out like, this is my child.
So you.
So anyway, guys, I think we touched there and there.
The spirit of devil.
Yeah.
Yeah, you just want to chow.
I heard you tried your best. You tried your best to touch on pirates and chiefs. What
Chief, I'm saying, guys.
Was it yesterday, there?
Guys.
Iran
yesterday.
Guys. Chiefs yesterday.
Guys.
What happened, actually?
You know, one of those people they were playing there, they were 11. But the only player that was playing, it was Chislet. Chislet was playing, was Kaizer Chiefs himself wearing that badge.
But I heard they were praising Kaizer Chiefs weeks back. They said, hey, the keeper improved. What? That's what happened.
No, the keeper improved, but then those interpreters.
Chiefs keeper.
Not Vuma.
Peterson. But he has injury, Chief. And those interpreters, those are not coaches, they're interpreters. Because they were interpreting for Nabi.
They should have taken Kune.
Koje, what was the score?
3-0.
3-0 to
Supposed to be 4, but
which
just
one to
feel pity.
Which one to win?
Which one? The Pirates won the beat Chiefs.
Okay. I didn't know, guys. Like, sorry.
Oh, now we are a Pirates fan.
That was Pirates that won. So now it's fine.
Yeah,
so now I'm only Kaizer Chiefs fan here.
Which Kaizer Chiefs?
No, I'm alone.
What is Kaizer Chiefs?
So now we are no longer Kaizer Chiefs fan.
Guys, what is Kaizer Chiefs?
Welcome.
Go with the winning team.
That's why people are killing themselves because of this.
You see, Chiefs on its own, its relationship, it can kill you. Change it.
Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs. Lema 2000. I was South Africa.
But he just said it. He just said move on. I moved on, guys. I moved on now.
Now I know even my house can leak, how I can sleep with the baguette here on my top. I'll never leave that house.
Fix it then. Fix it. Just fix it.
Yo, those interpreters must just go.
Nah,
Those
but-
interpreters please, Bobby, Kezam Taung Jr., please just take those interpreters where they belong. We need Pitom Siman or a best coach.
But I heard that Bele Chiefs currently doesn't really have a head coach.
Yeah, we don't have. Those are
yeah, it doesn't
interpreters.
really have-
You cannot take a driver to be a CEO.
They must take a big Makati. Where's Makati?
Man, Makadzi. Makadzi
Benny
to be a coach.
Makadzi.
Oh, Benny Makadzi. Oh, it's not Makadzi. It's not Makadzi. Makadzi to coach Chiefs.
Makati can also help you guys.
Makadzi.
No.
Makadzi is
Guys,
expensive.
I think
It's expensive.
Mm.
Ah, come on.
Remember,
Expensive for Chiefs.
remember Makadzi comes from Man U, man. He was at Man United.
Yeah,
He's
they
a
can
striker
afford
coach.
more.
guys, before it can be that very dark, we are out here. So we need to close up.
Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, guys. Yeah, as you are closing, we are saying, please keep supporting Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs is a big club. So don't be like KB who just ran away from his wife
No,
because
but
his
you
wife
told me,
doesn't see.
you told me that
But
I must move on.
Yeah, now
you
we're saying
can't
move
keep
on.
supporting losers, Baba.
Uh,
Sometimes you need to change.
Even themselves, they need to feel that hey,
So,
we're losing fans here.
Yo. Even you too. Next time we'll
Hey,
bring
I'm
you a t-shirt.
disappointed.
Hey,
Next time we'll
guys,
bring you Parachi.
subscribe, follow, hit the notification button. We are nothing without you.
And please check on our all platforms. WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, X, X over Twitter. What so we got our WhatsApp channel. So please check our WhatsApp channel, African Tipsy. And then Luena Oscar Babu like Mujolo Babu like Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah, man. Give us the chance to
Just-
at least they won't cherish it then because when it's tipsy culture, we laugh, guys.
Yeah, so
jokes and whatever. So if you feel or learn you have stress, I man,
Must come here.
check on African Tipsy.
African Tipsy for stress relievers.
We'll motivate you.
And we're gonna motivate you.
Yeah.
And I will go on my pila black and white. To go to Chief Pirates and say Morao.
Hey, guys, thank you.
PHB Mandela made the top. Looking at the star guy, Pona Catrell. I'm Ruti Shimolo, Cassipedi Catel. I said, Fago City Lake. Ipina Dianwell. I'm Shata Kimolo, Shaka, Shaka, Baniana, Rabafe. Why smile like a shell? I'm Pulella.